There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 30th of November. I'm James Spann. The coldest air so far this season blowing in here today with an icy north wind, and some of you will see a few snowflakes for the first time this season. Ooh, a lot to talk about. Here we go. Big, deep trough digging down into the eastern states, as expected, helping to pull down the cold air. The big rains we had yesterday and last night, those have moved on to the east, and we are mostly dry but cloudy early this morning. Now, temperatures are in the low 40s and mid 40s in most spots. Those were a little before 5 a.m., and they're going to go the wrong way today. Temperatures will fall into the 30s by midday and this afternoon. You factor in that strong north wind, it's going to feel colder. This is the watch warning map. Let me point out the areas there in light brown. That is a wind advisory. There's a very tight pressure gradient on the backside of that departing low last night and early this morning, producing strong gradient winds. Those will settle down slowly today, but still it's going to be windy. And then down to the south, that is a freeze warning for the southern quarter of the state. And understand, all of Alabama goes below freezing tomorrow morning, but they've yet to experience a widespread freeze down there. That's the reason for that warning. And around the nation, winter weather advisories for the Cumberland Plateau in Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, much of West Virginia and Ohio, and a few counties up in that zone under winter storm warnings, especially around the lake effect snow belts up there for this system. And in advance of the push of cold air, there's a chance of severe storms on the Atlantic coast, really all the way from Boston down to Daytona Beach. A slight risk includes the Jersey Shore down through Chesapeake Bay and the eastern part of North Carolina. And then tomorrow, much of the country in very stable air. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days, and really not much down here. Amounts under 1/4 of an inch. After the chance of snow flurries and snow showers today, we'll have a chance of some light rain on Thursday, and that should be about it. And, you know, we can celebrate this day because this is the last day of the hurricane season in the Atlantic Basin. And it's quiet. The guys are watching that low that's in the far eastern Atlantic. That's not a tropical system, and they've got it at a 40% chance of gaining subtropical characteristics. But again, that's not really your classic tropical storm. And the rest of the Atlantic Basin, again, nice and quiet. We can celebrate the fact that the season is over. Let's go to modeling. Here's the GFS, the 06E run at 3 o'clock today. There's your trough. Got a deepening surface low that's up in New York. And you can see snow and the cold air to the west of the surface low from Ohio and Indiana down through Kentucky and Tennessee. And yeah, North Alabama. This is noon today. Let me just point out with these model maps, remember, we don't expect any big impact or big accumulations here for several reasons. Number one, the ground is warm. Number two, the wind is going to be screaming. Number three, the precipitation should be pretty light and it's not going to last long. But there could be some pretty decent little snow showers coming through. I mean, you look out at noon today, if you're in Huntsville and Decatur and Athens, and it'll look like a pretty decent little snow here. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon, and you can see the HUR here suggesting a little snow showers could extend all the way down into parts of central Alabama as temperatures continue to drop. So again, today will be windy, cold, falling temperatures. We wind up in the 30s with snow flurries or snow showers. And again, temperature should be above freezing, mid-30s in most spots this afternoon. And I will say there might be some spots across high terrain in northeast Alabama where the ground gets kind of white, the grassy areas. But again, the roads should be just wet. But as always, we'll keep an eye on things. So tomorrow, we start the day down in the low to mid-20s, 20 to 26 for the northern half of the state, a freeze down to the Gulf Coast. The day will be sunny. The high will be mostly mid to upper 40s. Now, this is Wednesday. Wednesday mornings are going to be cold again. We'll be well down in the 20s. And then the high Wednesday back in the 50s, mid-50s in most spots. And we note that next wave off to the west. And this is Thursday, and that comes through with the chance of some light rain. But the moisture return will be pretty limited here. So Thursday, a cloudy day, some rain at times, mostly light rain. Nothing especially heavy. We'll probably be in the 40s on Thursday because of clouds and light rain. And then Friday, that feature is on by. The sky becoming partially sunny. The high Friday will be low to mid 50s. And Saturday as the weekend begins. The day will be dry. The sky will be mostly sunny. We start the day around freezing. The high will be in the 50s. And Sunday, same thing. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s, mostly sunny. A week from today, Monday the 7th, got a trough off the Atlantic coast, a northwest flow aloft, and still a very dry air mass. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 9th. Little upper feature that's over the southern plain states, but for us, we're still dry. So really, things look pretty quiet after we get this snow flurry shower activity out of here today. There's the rain for the next 15 days off the European ensemble. It's showing between 1.5 and 2 inches, and this extends on out through mid-December. And temperatures stay below average. After we get past today and tomorrow, highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.